Okay, Jessel, go get a toy. Go get me a toy. Can Sissy have it?
What do you pick?
The boy.
Razor.
Razor thing, yeah. Look, there are more toys. Look, there are toys over there. Go get one. Go get a toy. I want a toy. Can you bring me a toy? You want Sissy to go with you? Hey, come on. Let's go pick out a toy. No, Jessel, we go pick out one of those toys. Come on. Which toy do you want? Which one do you like? The TV. Jessel, give me a toy. Okay. Do you like that toy? Will you get me a toy? I don't know which one to get. Which one do you think I should get? The race car? Do you think I should have the race car toy? Yeah? Oh, you think I should have the race car toy, huh?
Tress, if that's the toy, give it to Sissy.
Okay, give me the toy. Ow. No, don't do it again. Now he's just going to throw everything at the wall.